Incoming device is an LG. Not sure 100% of the series since both of them do look very similar. The power button slash, I believe this is a fingerprint scanner, is not scratched. The rear camera lens not appear to be cracked. Taking a look at the bottom device, it does look like a headphone jack. Is around the charging port, is sitting snug for incoming charge current for 1.10 amperes. The volume buttons as well as the power button gives smooth feedback to 57%. Not sure the carry on this one, but
it seems to shut off. The screen shuts off for a little while. I got to hit the button a couple times or like just turn on the screen.
Does look like the
both cameras are cracked too.
Oh, my bad, there's this. Yep, the customer described the rear camera lens is cracked. The front camera is showing blue, possibly just a filter on the camera. Yep, just a regular camera filter on there. Then there's front camera and
you know, little when they grow up, they just jerk.
I know, right? My 9-year-old jerk over there.
I got 246.
Oh. How much? For what?
the camera is a little bit frozen, but we'll go and pop the back off and check, see which model this one is, since these style of LGs are a little bit more similar but very specific with the part.
I'll be right back.
It does look like the moisture indicator has been stripped off on this one. There's a LG LM L212VL. I believe that may be an Aristo 2. It's the K8, but we'll go on and take a look at the parts cost.